Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshada and here I present my next video. So by the title of this video, you must have got an idea about what I'm going to talk in this video. So yes, as most of you people know by now that I'm a total cinephile. I love watching movies, or you can say series content. So yes, in today's video, I'm going to talk about those 7 absolutely stunning, gorgeously created masterpiece. And yes, those are like must watch movies, just not because I'm suggesting them, but because they are masterpiece. In today's video, I'm going to talk about those 7 movies. I'm not going to give you like all details in brief vagara vagara. I'm going to talk about like very little, so you will get exact idea about what the movie is exactly about. So the very first one is Lost in Translation, released in 2003 with IMDb 7.7. So the plot of Lost in Translation is one fading American actor visits Tokyo for an ad shoot where he met one young girl who is recently married, who is accompanying her husband, who is a celebrity photographer, for a shoot. And they both are not aware of the language and the culture, and it's very difficult, and somehow they both feel very kind of alone. They found very special friend within each other and one bond which is like very hard to define, and how they explore their journey together is so beautifully created. Like the second one is my absolute favorite, and my this movie is on the top when it comes to talking about my favorite film. It is The Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. It's 2004 release with a great IMDb rating of 8.3, starring Jim Carrey and Kate Winslet. It's actually a romance cum science fiction movie with great reviews about it. All I can say about this movie is sometimes erasing memory is not enough to stop loving someone. If your heart is truly seeking that person again and again, erasing memory is not gonna help. This movie has great plot, amazing actors, and everything about this movie is so well put it together. So yes, whenever you're watching Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind, I personally request you to pay full attention to the movie, because this movie is kind of tricky and it demands your full attention, and it's just not worth it if you are watching it in just for the time pass or something. So I request you to give that movie that particular 2 hours, and yes, indulge yourself fully in the movie and enjoy this movie, because it is one-time experience and it is must have. The third one is like every rom-com lover must have heard about it, because it is one of those classic. It is none other than When Harry Met Sally. It's a 1989 release with IMDb 7.6. Obviously it's a romance comedy movie, but it has this amazing star cast, Meg Ryan with Billy Crystal. Yes. When Harry Met Sally is one of those classical romantic movies of Hollywood which are very difficult to not like. When Harry Met Sally is all about when you are destined to meet that one person, you have no idea how much universe is going to conspire to make that sure that it is going to happen. It's all about 2 people meeting each other on different times of their life, or you can say different stages of their life, only to find out that they're supposed to spend rest of their lives together. That movie is truly masterpiece when it comes to romance. So yeah. Okay, so the fourth one is Evergreen, 13 going on 30. It is 2004 release with IMDb 6.2, starring Jennifer Garner and Mark Ruffalo. So the 13 going on 30 is all about one 13-year-old girl make a wish on her birthday that she wants to live her life in her 30. So yes, this movie is all about that fantasy that every 13-year-old girl has once in her life. So it's like a wish that gets fulfilled. So 13 going on 30 is all about no matter what you want in your life. Life is always filled with so many unexpected changes, or you can say unexpected situation with which you have to fight to move on in your life. So the fifth one is Silver Linings Playbook. It is 2012 release with IMDb 7.7, starring both the actors which are very dreamy, Jennifer Lawrence and Bradley Cooper. Yes, this movie is, just not that rom-coms. This is a completely different romance drama. This romance drama is about the situations which are not, very dreamy or romantic to handle. This one is completely different story about two people who are dealing with the stress they have caused because of love in their life. So the Silver Linings Playbooks is about two people who are kind of, stressed, or you can say depressed in their lives because of their loved ones. So, on normal days, or you can say in normal situation, we will think like how two tragically broken people can heal each other with having so much, internal, or you can say mental or emotional damage inside them. So this movie is, a true example about having very realistic goals about relationship and love. Yes. So the sixth one is Ready or Not. This movie does not have, very famous star cast or something like that, and it also very recent release. It released in 2019. It has IMDb 6.9, and the genre of this movie is horror thriller. So why I'm suggesting you to watch this particular movie, because it is all about one bride trying to save herself from all the things that are happening around her on the very first night of her wedding. Yes, it's not rom-com that most of the boys are generally don't like. This movie is about survival, all about survival. All I can say is this is one of those top list survival movies. I'm not going to give spoilers, because if I started speaking about this one now, it's all going to spoil. All I can say is just watch it. So the last one is The Intern. I know I have mentioned this name earlier as well in my videos, but yes, it is must watch. And again, Bollywood has also recently announced that they are going to remake this film. So I'll suggest you, before watching that remake, you should watch the original one, The Intern, which is 2015 release with IMDb 7.1, starring Anne Hathaway and Robert De Niro. So most of you don't want me to give any spoilers about the plot and everything, but all I can say is you never know in what stage of your life a new opportunity is going to knock on your door. It's all about being always ready, or you can say being always optimistic about the changes that are happening in your life or the new opportunity. You have to welcome them. So this movie is also going to teach you that life is not about being comfortable in your zone, or you can say it's all about experiencing different challenges at different stages of your life. All the movies which I have mentioned in this video are definitely must watch, and some of you are going to watch those movies on repeat, because those are such a classic, or you can say feel good movies. So let me know in the comment section below once you have watched those movies, like how you find them and everything. And if you want me to make more such videos about in which I am suggesting movies, series, because I am such a cinephile and I keep watching content, and I genuinely going to talk about only those content that actually good or actually makes sense. So yes, if you want me to make more such videos, so do let me know in the comment section below, and share this video with all your friends, so they will also have something good to watch this weekend. And apart from that, it's my personal request for you to at least try to watch at least 2 of them, because yeah, they are definitely going to change your life in better way. So yes, thank you so much for watching this, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. It means a lot, and it is going to help me and my channel grow beautifully. And I think I'm done. So thank you so much once again.